welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products on my TikTok feed and now here on YouTube as well. Woo! And you guys get a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now let's get into the products. First product up is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and the color is Macaroon. Ooh.
So pretty.
Size of it is 0.18 ounces. Can be found at nyxcosmetics.com, Amazon, Ulta Beauty, Target, CVS. NYX gets around. Price of this is $4 all the way up to $6. Prices may vary, depends on where you're going. Ulta Beauty sometimes have online sales, so it might be a little bit cheaper. Just, keep an eye out. I think I got mine around $5. Not bad. Expires around 9 months. It is cruelty free and it has clean ingredients. And just like clean beauty at Sephora, this is considered conscious beauty at Ulta Beauty. So they kind of did their own thing. It is a jumbo eye pencil that combines eyeshadow and eyeliner, a all-in-one pencil. In other words, it could be used as an eyeshadow primer, like put this underneath your eyeshadow, or a highlight. I don't know about this color, but some other colors maybe. A creamy formula with blendable shades. Should last you all day, does not dry out, and no creasing. There's no pulling, no tugging, no fading, and it glides on smoothly. And of course, wear it during the day or night, your choice. I wear mine all day. And this is also sharpenable. Sharpenable. That's a fun word. Sharpenable. Sharpenable. Yeah, very interesting. It has mica, beeswax, octododecanol, also has candelilla wax, polyethylene, and carnauba wax. Alright, so I think we all know how to use eyeliner. So of course, this is big enough to go on your inner eye, or maybe, oh yeah, let's put it here. And you could probably just blend it with your finger. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That is a bright color. Of course, either just a waterline or maybe the top where you usually put your eyeliner. Or if you want, you could use it as an eyeshadow. Go ahead and put the color on there. Maybe I'll put it on the corner here. And then just blend it out with a brush. Today I did not put any primer on, so it's not going to be as vivid. Go ahead and get your blending brush and then be creative. These liners are meant for you guys to be creative, so have fun with them. As you can see, the products I chose were mostly colors that match my hair color. I need to find a mascara though that has like maybe a blue mascara. I don't know if they sell turquoise mascaras, but I need to find one. A teal mascara. Maybe blue is fine. But yeah, I definitely need to find something like that so I could do an all out, like just this one color. And blending the inner eye. There we go. Alright. Look at me. Gorgeous. Alright. Now we're going to move on. Oh, I'm ready to put this on. Sorry. Now we're going to move on to our next liner that we chose for products. Woohoo! This is LA Girl Shockwave metallic eyeliner in Dragon. Pretty cool. Looks a little like that. Looks pretty awesome. The Dragon is like a emerald green. It is 0.04 ounces. Can be found at lagirlusa.com. Yes. And of course, Target, CVS, Harmon Face Values. If you guys have one nearby, check that store out. It's kind of like a CVS, but for beauty. A little bit smaller, of course. But yeah, they carry a lot of beauty items, toilet paper, things like that. You could just go on their website as well if you want to take a look there. It's connected with Bed Bath & Beyond. Just in case if you never heard, now you've heard. And of course, Ulta Beauty, Nordstrom's Rack. And then on the website they mentioned some place called ecosmetics.com. I think I'm going to check that one out. I've never heard of that. Basically, you could find these on there too. I also see these in independent stores as well. If you go to like a little beauty shop inside the mall. I used to have one nearby. Yeah, you would find these there. So almost everywhere. Gets around like NYX. The starting point is $2.69, but the usual price is up to $5. They do go on sale sometimes, so just keep an eye out. Same thing with NYX Cosmetics. Some of these are on sale. They go down to $2. So this I also got around $5 myself. I didn't realize. Actually, I should probably check my receipt. See if I got that $2 or not. Unless if it was just online, maybe. An online deal. And I got it at full price. So yeah, check online. I would recommend going online first before you guys get in store. This doesn't expire until 24 months.
Wow, that's a long time.
It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and FDA approved. I like that. These gel eyeliners are bold colors that glide on creamy. Should last around 16 hours and apparently full coverage. It is a sultry matte metallic shimmer, but they also come in neon. So, not metallic though. It's either metallic or neon. One or the other. But when you go to lagirlusa.com, they have little tabs. The little tab says neon, metallic, and you could choose which one you want. Now, it is water resistant and smudge proof. But if you want to smudge it, you could get a smudge brush and still smudge it, of course. And it also sharpens. Apparently, it is a soft plastic, so don't be afraid to sharpen it. This one as well, this looks like a soft plastic. I believe so. It has methyl trimethicone, mica, propylene carbonate, and polyethylene. Now this one, I'm going to just line my eyes and my waterline. Again, may I suggest, if you want it a little bit more vivid, always use a primer underneath. Even with eyeliners, I feel like it helps it stay longer as well. Just a bit. On a waterline. Of course, because this is metallic, it has a bit of shimmer, so you could also use it at the inner corner, even on your lips. Be creative, you guys. You could do it on your lips too. Add a little dragon shimmer with your eyeliner. Okay, now we're going to go to the results. Woo! And the results. These are the results for TikTok. And boom! 50-50! Woo! Both of them won on TikTok. Congratulations! You are the winners. Yay! Yay! Congratulations. I mean, they both go on pretty well. Pretty nice. If I do say so myself. Now for the YouTube results. Here we go. Top's trying to fall off. Okay. And the results for YouTube votes. Boom! NYX Cosmetics 67% and LA Girl 33%. So this time you lost. And NYX, you won. NYX Cosmetics is the winner. It is also the most popular, I would say, out of the brands that I chose. Congratulations. Oh, my gosh. Congratulations, NYX. You're the winner. Glad you won. I personally like NYX as well. NYX is fun. Of course, this is the jumbo one, so it gives you a little bit more, things to do with it than just this one. Little, small, and this one's big. It could fill your whole entire eye and do a lot of looks. So let me know in the comments below which one did you guys like, whether it was the NYX Cosmetics or the LA Girl. Boom, boom, boom. Which one would you vote for if you didn't vote this week, or which one did you vote for if you had voted this week? And yeah, you could be featured in next week's video. Let me know in the comments below. Woo-hoo. Was LA Girl your favorite or was NYX your favorite? Let me know. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys for joining me. This was a fun one. I really like seeing everybody put in their votes, especially here on YouTube. TikTok is really fun as well. I see a lot of people viewing it. I would say it reaches out to some people. A lot of people actually voted for this one. This one had a lot of votes. I was surprised it was 50-50 still. There was a lot of people voting and ended up being 50-50. But anyways, that one was fun to watch. And yeah, that's it from me, you guys. Thank you again, whoever's joined or watched my live stream. That one was fun to do this week or last week now. Okay, see you guys all next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.